My legacy is gather around people wherever you roam. Do I know any other? Do I know any other songs that I could sing all the way through those from lyrics like that heart? I'll go with this right there. It was a rainy night. We took a taxi to your mother's home. She went to Florida, left you with your father's gun alone. Up on a small white bed, I fell into a dream. You sat up all the night and watched me to see who in the world I might be. I am from the Sunday school. I sing soprano in the upstairs choir. You are a holy man on the FM radio. I sat up all the night and watched thee to see who in the world you might be. You called me beautiful. You called your mother. She was very tan, so you packed your things. So you packed your things and went to live off in the Arizona sand. You are a refugee from a wealthy family. The reason I thought of this skunk walked by the back door, it made me more than just frightening or anything. It just made me want to go and see what was going on out there. It was like there's a skunk party in the backyard. So let's pick up. You called me beautiful. You called your mother. She was very tan, so you packed your things and went to live out in the Arizona sand. You are a refugee from a wealthy family. You gave up all the golden factories to see who in the world you might be. It's funny, all songs are just one take, right? Because I can't do it any better words. I guess I could